Welcome to Melodies of Flavors, where today we're cooking up a comforting Turkish lentil soup. Got your ingredients ready? Check the description below and let's get started on this culinary journey together. Ready, set, cook. First up, we're going on a little chopping adventure. Onion, carrot, potato. Think of them as the three musketeers of flavor, bringing joy to dishes worldwide. Chop them up into small pieces. Precision is not the goal here, enthusiasm is. Now let's get these veggies acquainted with some butter in a pot. Just about 3 minutes of sautéing. Think of it as a quick get-together where everyone's just warming up. And here come the lentils, washed and ready to party, with a sprinkle of turmeric and a dash of flour. It's not just cooking, it's alchemy. As we sauté, we're not just cooking, we're layering flavors. The heat unlocks the onion's sweetness, carrot's earthiness, and potato's richness, setting the stage for a soup full of depth. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and give us a like. It's one click for you, but a world of difference for us. It helps us bring more delicious recipes and foodie adventures straight to you. Next, we introduce a bay leaf, our guest of honor, and pour in the chicken broth, or vegetable stock if you're keeping it veggie-friendly. This is where the magic starts. Imagine the stories this bay leaf could tell if it could talk. Cover the pot, and let's give them some privacy. Those flavors need to mingle, blend, and get to know each other. It's like a slow dance of ingredients, where everyone ends up perfectly in sync. After cooking, it's time to say goodbye to our bay leaf friend. Now grab your blender and let's turn this chunky gathering into a smooth, velvety soup. Add salt, pepper, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, because every dish needs a little zing. In a pan, heat olive oil and Aleppo pepper. Keep stirring. We don't want any drama here, just a sizzle. Once it's fragrant, it's showtime. Pour the soup into bowls, drizzle with our spicy oil, and sprinkle a bit more Aleppo pepper for that final touch. And there you have it, a bowl of Turkish lentil soup, ready to warm the soul. And that, my friends, is how you bring a piece of turkey into your home. No passport required. If you tried this recipe, or if you've added your own twist, don't keep it a secret. Drop a comment below. We love hearing from you. What do you want to see next on Melodies of Flavors? Your wish is our command. Thanks for watching. And as always, keep those taste buds curious. See you in the next video.